Hi, Richard Muse here, Property Result Investments. Just here for another update. I haven't given you an update for a couple of weeks. Reason being is that I've been project managing this big refurbishment that we're doing on our serviced accommodation property in Durham. So that's nearly finished now, and you know, you can have a look at details of that. I'm going to do separate videos. You can see a start to finish video. As far as the market goes and what's becoming available, well, demand's still strong. Investors are still buying very quickly. You have to be in there quick to get, you know, a decent property. Given that August can be a quiet month sometimes because of holidays, that has not necessarily been the case this year. We've still had some nice inquiries and we've taken some nice properties on. We've actually just put a new list out of some decent stuff, you know, that we have for sale this morning, which is you know, into September. So what have we been doing? Well, we've got a really good deal on 2 flats in Ashington, upstairs, downstairs, like a Tyneside lease. Owner retiring now. The downstairs flat has a long-standing tenant, been in there years. The upstairs is currently refurbished and it'll have a new tenant in before anybody, you know, completes the sale. It should be in the next couple of weeks. Now the numbers on this quite good. They'll both be let at £325 a month. That's giving you £650 a month income rent before, you know, letting agent charges if you use an agent, and that is giving a yield of 14%. Price is £55,000 plus our fees. That is a real good deal for somebody. I don't expect that to hang around long, if I'm honest. 14% yield is not to be sniffed at, and in a decent area. Then we've took another one on in Sunderland, in the Roker area. Nice cottage, and that's I think the purchase price on that's about £72,000 plus the fees. Now that is done to a very high standard. Had the same tenants in for 7 years, and that's given a 9% yield. Now them tenants want to stay there, the property's in excellent condition. You just really, all you've got to do is buy that, look after it, and you've got a really good income for that. So that's just a little bit differences on the yields. 14%, still a very good area. 9%, excellent area, excellent property, excellent tenants. To me, that's a no-brainer investment for somebody, and a bit of discount. The market value is £85,000 plus all day long. You know, got that off sold prices. Just to give you an update on the York properties, we haven't actually sold them yet, but like I said at the time, we said we'd take them on because of the location. We've still got getting a lot of inquiries, and we've had a few inquiries this week. I'm still confident that they will go. Not in massive yield, about 6%, but it's location, it's really good in the York city centre. We've also got on, unusually for us, we've got 2 development sites on in Sunderland. I don't normally take development sites, special commercial ones. It's not really what we do. But one of our vendors, we sold a few like cottages type properties for him in Sunderland, and he asked us, he said he still had these 2, would we try and sell them? So we have. We've stuck them on, you know, on our website, and you can see them there. Now they are good sites because they're right in the centre of Sunderland on main roads. One of them in particular, you have to walk past to go to the Stadium of Light on you know, on football days. So quite a crowd comes past there, and you can take, I would imagine, if you've got a fast food takeaway, which a lot are around there, you can take quite a bit of money on that day. And then also there's the residential above. So like I say, demand is very strong. You've got to be in there quick. What have we got coming? Well, just signed one up in Hartlepool, and this one's a tenanted property, same tenants for 10 years. If the tenants move out, it will need a little bit updated. It's, I think off the top of my head, yielding about 11%, 12%. and the purchase price is only 31,000 plus our fees. Again, very nice investment. 3-bed as well, so you know you could get more for it if if the tenants leave and you decide to refurbish, you probably could get a higher rent, so a bigger return. And I have another one coming in Sunderland. We're just busy on with that one at the moment. That's a 3-bed masonette. Again, decent area. It's got a long-term tenant in, signed up till 2022. All been refurbished, looking really nice before the tenant moved in. Really nice. The vendor wants to sell because he lives away. He actually owned the property because when he was in uni in Sunderland, he bought it, and he just kept on renting it. But like so many people, they're not comfortable being landlords, so that's why he's selling it. And really nice property. It ticks all the boxes. So that's all I've got for now. I hope that's been of interest to you. If you want to have a chat, anytime about any of the properties we have for sale or might be coming on, you've got my details below. No obligation whatsoever. We'll just have a nice chat, and I hope you have a good day.